Hey, I'm Toby Ogden. I have just got this thing in the mail. I'm pretty happy about it. A lot of people have been saying it's not that great, but I will test it as a wedding photographer. I'm pretty pumped to use it. Right now I'm using the A7 IV, A7R5 for photo and video. And so this is the A7 V. I've been like just dreaming about this for years. And it's finally here. It just arrived. So I'm gonna open it up. Here's the box. Inside. So okay, let's open this thing up. A7V, the one that's on the internet, and it seems like everybody like doesn't really like it, or there's like always all these bad things about it. Super happy to add my 8th battery to having batteries for weddings. My take on this camera is going to be basically, what can this thing do to make my wedding photography a little better, a little more efficient, doing photo and video. The screen, everybody's been like holding it by the screen. Wow, okay. So that screen is actually pretty cool. I think it's better than the A7R5. Same, kind of similar to the A7 IV. All the dials look the same. All these wheels, buttons, all the buttons are really the same. Same kind of card slot. I know there's some new ports, some extra ports, or an extra port. This thing's gotta go. I never use that. And I don't know, let's just open this up too. There it is. I don't want to get any dust in there. So this is interesting. The first thing it asks me is, do I want to put screen reader on? It basically, your camera's like telling you everything on the screen. Definitely going to turn that off. That's pretty annoying for now. Gotta go through and set this thing all up. I'm not really going to be able to test it right here, so I got to go out and actually use this thing. And I'll be making some more videos of me actually using it. Just first thoughts, like just holding it feels good. It's kind of light feeling. I don't know if it's any lighter, but it just feels light. And everything else is kind of the same looking. I know the menu, the screen is like really touch screen. So you can like kind of swipe and do things with the screen. I don't know how to do the swiping yet. I don't usually swipe. That's that. I've opened this box up. I just got this thing literally like an hour ago. This camera seems really cool so far. I'm going to just give you my thoughts after I've done some weddings, and I'm actually going to try to use it soon and see how it works. So cool. Thanks.